just like in the major scale, we took this pattern of, and we took the notes at the top of the pattern and moved them 5 frets back and 1 string over. We're going to do the same thing with the C minor scale. We start with this pattern that we arrived at after taking the linear pattern and manipulating it down into one position. So instead of this C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C, now we can take this pattern and take the E flat and the A flat and move them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets back, 1 string up, and get this C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. Same notes, different pattern. Because you can play the same note in more than one location on the guitar. You can also do that again and take the D, G, and C and move them 5 frets back and 1 string over to the open strings. Or keep in mind that the note here on the G string is actually 1, 2, 3, 4 frets back and 1 string over because you tune from the G to the B string at the 4th fret. And instead of the open string, you get a note on the 1st fret. So that pattern winds up being C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. So now you have 3 patterns. We started with the linear pattern, and then we arrived at this pattern, which has the root note and then all of the notes in higher frets. Then we took some of those notes and manipulated them, and we wind up with a pattern that has the C in the middle with some notes on higher frets and some on lower frets. Then we manipulated that further, and we wind up with a pattern with the root note here and all of the notes either lower or at the same fret. The C minor scale.